What's up, guys? I'm back with the 240 today. So today we're gonna go to Mexico. Same setup, nothing has changed. We'll see what's gonna happen tonight. So for mods, I haven't really done anything new to it except the manifold. I think I already spoke about it in the previous video. Yeah, and then, I mean, it's been reliable ever since I built it back about 6 months ago. Like, I've only done oil changes. Transmission still holding up. Pure direction solution, stage 1. Yeah, no issues so far. Runs good every day, every night. So, we'll see what we do. So, right now, I think tonight we're going to be running around 35 PSI. It's kind of cold, actually. It's like 73 degrees. We'll see how it does. I think my IETs will be good tonight. I'm not going to push that much E because if I push too much E, then my car tends to break up. Especially when I'm doing, it breaks up when I'm doing a pull, basically, if it's too much E and it's too cold. But I guess I need like a tune adjustment or something. I don't know. I haven't figured it out, but usually when it gets colder, I tend to run less boost. Because then I over boost either way, so and it's hard to explain, but we'll see how we do. Alright guys, we're heading out right now. We're gonna see what happens. I think there's a lot of cars. There's a lot of cars here. It's gonna get hectic. There's gonna be a lot of cars everywhere, racing everywhere. Like it's just so many cars. Whoa, get ready. Alright guys, we're going to a different spot. It was raining at the other one. So what the hell, man? Nobody wants to give me away. There you go. Alright, bro. I'll see you later. Yes, sir. We have my friend with a G80 racing, the GTR right here. So we'll see how it goes. We'll go watch. Wait. Holy shit, I was like that even. I was close. Oh my god, we were like neck to neck. I'd say it was a weird night. It started raining and then it went away, and then we went somewhere else, and then we came back to like the spot, and then on the way home, I guess everybody just decided to run. So I mean, we got like about 3 or 4 good runs overall, but it was good. Car did, I think it did mess up like once or twice, but overall it did pretty good. But yeah, car survived, car made it, driving it back home, no problem. Goes to show how reliable these cars are. You know, stock motor still. But yeah, alright, see y'all later.